What's up? Davo RC Porn here. This is my second video after my tutorial on how to configure your hacked GT3B for your winch. Here's a quick video on how to set up on-off switch using the third channel, whether you have a stock or a hacked GT3B. At this point, you're going to need an electronic remote switch. In my case, I can use it either for a LED light or for my motorized working wiper. Okay, for those using 6 or 8 channel receivers, it's important to set the number of channels you're going to use. First, of course, you go to the main menu, enter long, scroll to C, mine is 6. You could actually set it to 3 or 8 depending on how many channels you're going your transmitter your receiver will be. Okay, press enter long to exit, and then you go to the name menu, enter long, and then you set again the number of channels. In my case it's 6, and you exit, you go to rev, press enter long, go to channel 3, TR1 comes up, but you need to go to channel 3, press enter, BNL comes up, and then you set it to 200, and then press enter long, and then end. You're now all set with your third channel on-off switch using your channel 3 trim to turn on. Just push forward to turn off, push to the left. Notice that your screen will display 100 for on and negative 100 for off. There's no center position for this configuration. Okay, so that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Davo RC Porn signing off.